Can AI create self-repairing farm equipment? Have you ever wondered if artificial intelligence can take care of farm equipment all on its own? This question leads us into the fascinating world of automation in agriculture. While the idea of machines fixing themselves sounds incredible, the reality is a bit different. Currently, artificial intelligence cannot create fully self-repairing farm equipment that can autonomously fix mechanical failures without human help. However, it plays a vital role in improving how we manage and maintain our farm machinery. Artificial intelligence is integrated into modern farm equipment, using sensor data and machine learning to continuously monitor the health of the machinery. These systems can predict when parts are likely to fail and alert operators before any breakdowns occur. For instance, if a sensor detects unusual vibrations in a tractor, the system can notify the operator to check it out before it leads to a more significant issue. AI-driven platforms analyze real-time data from electronic components and sensors. They can diagnose problems, suggest repairs, and even guide operators through the repair process with interactive tools and manuals. This proactive approach reduces downtime and repair costs, allowing farmers to keep their operations running smoothly. Leading agricultural equipment manufacturers have developed digital tools that offer software reprogramming and diagnostic tests. These tools provide real-time support remotely, enabling farmers and service providers to perform repairs with greater accuracy. While these systems do not physically repair equipment, they automate the diagnostic and decision-making aspects of repairs, making the machinery more aware of its condition. In the realm of automation, artificial intelligence is also found in autonomous tractors and robotic machinery. These machines perform fieldwork without human drivers, using AI for navigation and task optimization. However, they still requiring human intervention for mechanical repairs. From a farmland investment perspective, the integration of artificial intelligence in farm equipment management is a significant trend. It can influence operational costs, equipment longevity, and overall farm productivity. Farms equipped with AI-enabled machinery often experience lower downtime and more efficient resource use, which can lead to improved profitability. As artificial intelligence tools become more accessible through subscription models, even mid-sized farms can benefit. They can reduce repair costs and enhance operational resilience, making them more competitive in the market. In summary, while artificial intelligence cannot yet perform self-repair on farm equipment, it greatly improves the ability to detect, diagnose, and manage repairs through intelligent software. This advancement supports efficient farmland operations and can influence investment decisions by reducing risks related to equipment failure and maintenance expenses.